Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2007 Toyota Sequoia Limited. This is a 7-passenger 4-door SUV in silver sky. Under the hood you'll find a 4.7 liter V8 riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, running boards, you got those roof rails on top as well as that power sunroof. But why don't we hop inside the Sequoia and see what else it has to offer. Helping ourselves inside is our key fob. It's got our lock and unlock button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. Right in the door, on the bottom you have some storage space. Goes all the way down there. Lots of room. Power windows and locks. The Sequoia comes equipped with all-weather mats, as well as light gray leather seating, and on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. So why don't we hop inside. Let's take a quick look at the steering wheel. Here you have your audio mounted controls such as volume and these arrows which will help you navigate through whatever mode you might be on, right in the center there. And up here, just to show you, the Sequoia does only have 98,026 kilometers on it. Moving to our little entertainment display here. Nothing complicated, nice and simple. Got your standard AM and FM, of course, your radio options, and a choice if you choose. You got your CD. Moving down to our climate control settings, also nice and simple. You got your dials here that control your temperature, intensity, and all your little functions in between. Below that you have the time and your different drivetrain options. Underneath, if we pull this out, you got an extra set of cup holders. Nice little storage compartment here. Driver and passenger heated seats. Power adjustable side mirrors, as well as 2 more cup holders. If we open the center console, you can see you can put a disc in there for that TV that is in the back that we're going to show in just a moment. You also got some nice storage space on both sides. And you can also lift this side up and you got a nice little storage compartment here as well. Lastly, we're going to take a look in the glove box. Lots of room in there. Nice and simple. Got a nice little shelf up top. So let's just close that right up. So before we hop into the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door, you do have some storage space. All-weather mats equipped here as well. Behind the driver and passenger front seats, you do have these nice little storage pockets. More leather seating. In the center here, if we pull this down, got a nice little armrest. Behind the center console, you have your little climate control settings as well as 2 cup holders. And above, you do have their own little screen. And lastly, these seats do fold down. Pull that up, and that'll give you access to the 3rd row seating right in the back. So to open up, we got this little handle right underneath here. Give that a nice pull. So right now we have the 3rd row seating that is up. To put those down, all you got to do is give that a push and they'll fold in like so. And then all you got to do, just pull that handle up, and that'll give you some more space right in the back. And to put them down, they do just drop and they'll click right into place. To close up, we got this nice little handle here. You can grab that. Gentle push once again. Taking a last look at our 2007 Toyota Sequoia Limited. Once again, some of your great interior features include your steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7-passenger seating, and power adjustable leather heated seats. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on a corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.